want to grow your wealth, but you don't know where to start? I've got you covered. Tune in to learn 5 smart ways to invest your savings and achieve your financial goals. The first way to invest your savings and make your money grow is through the stock market. Now I know what you're thinking. The stock market is risky and unpredictable, but hear me out. Investing in the stock market can provide you with higher returns than other investment options, such as savings accounts or certificates of deposits, or also known as CDs. Plus, with the help of a financial advisor, you can make informed investment decisions that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Now, one of the best ways to invest in the stock market is through a 401k or IRA. These retirement accounts provide tax benefits and allow your money to grow over time. Plus, many employers offer a matching contribution. That means they will match a portion of your contributions to your 401k. So it's like free money. And who doesn't want free money? Another way to invest in the stock market is through a brokerage account. With a brokerage account, you can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other securities. Now, some online brokerage firms to consider might be Charles Schwab, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade. These platforms offer a wide range of investment options, including individual stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short. But it's important to remember that the stock market can be volatile, and there's always a risk of losing money. So please make sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before investing. The second way to invest your savings and make your money grow is through real estate investing. Real estate can provide a stable source of passive income and can appreciate in value over time. There are several ways to invest in real estate, including A. Rental properties. You can purchase a rental property and generate income through monthly rent payments. But being a landlord requires time and effort, so make sure you're up for the challenge. B. REITs, which are real estate investment trusts, are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. You can invest in REITs through a brokerage account or mutual fund. C. Crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with other investors. This can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and to invest in larger projects that you may not be able to afford on your own. You can invest in real estate through platforms such as Fundrise, Roofstock, or Realty Mogul. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate properties or real estate investment trusts, again REITs, with as little as a few $100s. Now, I will include links to all the platforms I describe in this video down in the description below. The third way to invest your savings and make your money grow is through high-yield savings accounts. Unlike traditional savings accounts, high-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates. That means your money can grow faster. Plus, they are FDIC insured, which means your money is protected up to $250,000. Now, online banks like Ally and Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and you also have Discover Bank, they may offer some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts. And that again will allow your money to grow even faster. They may also offer features like no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. So check them out, research their offerings, and determine which is best for you. So again, if you're looking for a safe and low investment option, high-yield savings accounts may be a good option for you. The fourth way to invest your savings and to make your money grow is through certificates of deposit, or CDs. CDs are a type of savings account that offer fixed interest rates for a specific period of time, usually between 3 months and 5 years. They are also FDIC insured, which means your money is protected up to $250,000. CDs can be a good option for those who want a low-risk investment with a guaranteed return because CDs offer a fixed rate of return for a set period of time. Thus, CDs are a safe and stable investment option. You can purchase CDs from banks or credit unions such as Chase, Wells Fargo, or Navy Federal Credit Union. However, they usually offer lower interest rates than other investment options. And as always, do your research and make sure to shop around and compare rates before investing in a CD. The fifth way to invest your savings and to make your money grow is through robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that provide automated investment advice and portfolio management. They use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds based on your goals and risk tolerance. Robo-advisors offer several benefits, including low fees and a hands-off approach to investing. They are also accessible to investors with small amounts of money to invest. You can use robo-advisors such as Betterment, Wealthfront, or Ellevest to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments and offer low fees compared to traditional investment options. But it's important to remember that robo-advisors are not a substitute for personalized financial advice, and they may not be suitable for all investors. Now, we've talked about all 5 smart ways to invest your savings. So let's move on to some tips for investing those savings. But before I do, I just want to remind you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That lets me know that this personal finance content that I'm putting out is helpful and relevant to you. And I'll continue to put it out for you guys. Thanks. Now on to those tips. Tips for investing your savings. Regardless of which investment option you choose, there are a few tips to keep in mind when investing your savings. 1. Diversify your portfolio. It's important to spread your investments across different asset classes and industries in order to minimize risk. Diversifying your portfolio can also help you take advantage of different investment opportunities and potential returns. 2. Set realistic goals. It's important to set realistic financial goals and to develop a strategy to achieve them. Consider factors such as your age, your risk tolerance, and time horizon when setting your goals. 3. Invest for the long term. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to stay patient and disciplined. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations or investment fads. 4. Stay informed. Stay up to date on market trends and investment news. This will help you make informed decisions about your portfolio. So consider working with a financial advisor or using online resources to keep informed about your investments. And 5. Minimize those fees. Fees can eat into your investment returns over time. So be sure to compare fees and expenses when selecting investment options and choose low-cost options whenever possible. So there you have it, guys. 5 smart ways to invest your savings and to make your money grow. Investing your savings can be a great way to build long-term wealth and to achieve financial freedom. Whether you choose to invest in the stock market, in real estate, in high-yield savings accounts, CDs, or robo-advisors, it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before investing. And remember, investing is a long-term game, and it's important to stay patient, to stay disciplined, and to stay informed. Don't let short-term market fluctuations or investment fads deter you from your financial goals. With the right mindset and a solid investment strategy, you can achieve financial freedom and build long-term wealth. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, have fun, stay safe, and stay young. Bye for now.